The Buick Encore is perfect for city and open road driving. The interior combines luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. That's where you'll find the 4.2-inch diagonal Driver Information Center, or DIC, that displays system warning messages and up-to-the-minute vehicle status information. From tire pressure to oil life to fuel economy and more, all at the driver's fingertips. The DIC's color display is in the middle of the instrument cluster, so it's easy to see status information. On the turn signal stalk, you'll find the controls for accessing, selecting, or changing DIC choices. The menu button displays your main menu selections that include Info, Available Navigation, and Options. Rotating the up-down arrows scrolls through the selections, and pressing the Set Clear button selects, sets, or clears the displayed item. 3 simple controls to easily adjust the DIC to the information you want to see. For example, to reset Trip A, press Menu, rotate the up-down arrows on the stalk to Info, and press Set. The Info page shows all the current vehicle status selections. Rotate the stalk until you see Trip A. Now press and hold Set Clear until you hear an audible beep and Trip A resets. And that's it. You can access all the information pages using those same steps and the controls on the turn signal stalk. The Driver Information Center. Simple to use, elegant in design. It's information at your fingertips that helps you enjoy driving the Buick Encore.